All right, so in this module for Unit 1, when we are looking at employability, one of the things that's going to be important for you to do towards the beginning of this module is finding a job ad, as in finding a job advertisement. So what you are going to be doing is, I'm just going to read the instructions and then take you through actually going to a website to find a job ad. So using the internet, find a job ad that you are able to apply for. Use a Google search or a website such as Snagajob or Indeed.com. The job must be for someone who is at least 16 years old, and it must be part-time. It also needs to be local in the Joliet, Shorewood, Crest-Tier, Plainfield area, for example. Once you find an appropriate ad, you must copy and paste the link for the job ad below and answer the following questions. Make sure this job ad includes the skills they are looking for in their employees or a listing of the job duties. So part of why this job ad is so important is because this is the information that you find on the job ad is what you're going to be using to fill out your sample job applications, and also in preparation for doing your mock interviews and preparing interview questions. So let's go ahead and take a look at what needs to be done. So I'm going to go over to my web browser, and I'm actually going to use the Indeed website. And so that's Indeed.com. And so in the what box, I'm just going to search for jobs for teens. Okay, so what you need first is probably not going to pop up right away because the first couple ads are sponsored ads. So you're going to have to scroll down until you see something that looks like it will work for you. So for example, here we go, right? First ad after the sponsored one is a sales associate part-time at Charlotte Russe, as in the Charlotte Russe at the mall. Okay, that would be age appropriate, location appropriate, etc. I also see one for Five Below. Another one for Charlotte Russe looks like it's more so seasonal. And then Plato's Closet in Neighborhood, which is a little far out. So what I would do is I'm going to go ahead and go with Five Below. So I'm going to click the job ad. And you see the information comes on this side. So reports to general manager, classification non-exempt, status part-time. So that's important. It's a part-time job, and availability is flexible. There's a little more information about the job. Do you want to work for the coolest brand on the planet, etc., etc. Gives information about what sales associates do, how they do it, and it goes on to give lots of really good information right there for you in order for you to determine if this is something that you're interested in. Okay? Remember, you all are not actually applying for this job. You are simply using the job ad for purposes in class. Now, if you are interested in the job and you do want to apply, of course, go ahead and do that. And if you would like any assistance on that, please just ask for that. So all I need to do now is go up to the web browser. I'm going to copy the link. I'm going to go back to that Google Doc, and I'm going to do a right click, and I'm going to paste the link there. Okay? And then the other question would just see it says, how did you find this job? What website did you use? And I would just put Indeed.com. Okay? That's it. Very simple, but very important. This is a step that you cannot skip in order to successfully be able to fill out your job applications and your resume. All right.